All right, welcome to this episode of Vern's Misadventures. The other day, I replaced the right front turn signal, only to be on my way to work the next day and have it fail again with the hyper flash going. And I had the right turn indicator stayed on solid on the dash. So when I got to work, I checked and I had neither a right front marker light nor a turn signal. So apparently we got a wiring issue, maybe a corroded connection somewhere, I don't know. So we're gonna have to do some exploratory surgery. So the first thing to do here will be to remove the grill. All right, here's the tools we'll need. We got a 7/32 socket, an extension, 1/4-inch drive, and I'm gonna use my cordless Milwaukee with the 1/4-inch adapter on it. Alright, there are some clips at the bottom of the grill shell that hold it on right now. I don't think it's going to fall. I got to go get a tool to get them loose. Okay, they're all fairly loose from pulling out just the other day. And off we go. We got 2 bolts up here that got to come out, and there's 2 down at the bottom. I'm going to leave this one. This one can come out. Alright. One. Let me get the other one. From there, we get that last one. Let's just see what we can see, huh? So take that one loose and give us a little more room to work. As you can see, we got a bunch of wire taps here. So, more than likely, somewhere in there is where our problem is. Okay, here's the stock. Okay, that makes a little bit of sense. So if it's in here, probably just got some corrosion in these taps here. So by the way, it's this connector here is the turn signal, as you see. That would be that right there. And yeah, I think that's our whole deal here. We got some corroded wire taps or something. What I'm trying to think is, how in the world am I going to get this out of the way and fix this without it all falling on the ground? Maybe a bungee? Yeah, I could bungee it. Let me get a bungee. Alright. Well, there's half the battle. Maybe. I'll figure this out. Figured out more complicated things than this before. Not ideal, but it'll work. Yeah, so see these wire taps here. We've got a yellow, a black, and a green. And all of these wires are fed by these wire taps here. And so, I think that would be the source of our issue. Popping them apart one at a time. Alright, well right now it's working. I don't know if I can replicate the failure or not. Let's see. Wrestling around the yellow one doesn't seem to do much. When I move this one around, that's where we get the issue. Okay, so I think our problem's in this one. I separated the connector part. Well, it's not the best I ever seen. It's not really corroded or anything, so I'm thinking the issue's right here in the tab itself. So let's see if we can get it open. Yeah. Get it open. Okay. So maybe it had a little corrosion right in there. I think we'll just move our tap a little further down. I don't know if you can recoil it. It seemed like it latched. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. and put this back in there. Dirty dog, yeah. Alright, now I guess we'll do the wiggle test. So we'll turn the lights back on and see what happens. Alright, well, everything's working right now. Let's start wiggling. We got a little bit of an issue here on the other wire, the black one. We'll move it up. You can wiggle the hell out of the brown one now. That doesn't do anything. What we'll do is we'll repeat the process on the black wire. Cool. Oh, look at that. Look at that. We got a bad connection. See them flashing? Is it the black one? Yeah. Alright, so we're going to pull a piece of tape on the brown wire. We'll remove the tap. And then we're going to do something with the black one. Let's get the black one apart. Okay. It's okay here, so the issue is definitely there. Alright. So we'll just open this up. So ever so carefully. And we'll get us a clean spot far enough away where we can take that up. The pliers, so we can get it to close. Matched up nice. Okay, so put this connector back on and we'll see if it solved the problem. Nice. Looks like everything's lit. Okay. Put a little tape on here. It's not really an issue, but I don't want it to become one. You wiggle that and nothing happens. It's just smashed. There is some exposed wire. That's never good. Oh Lord, I've done this. That covers the wire. Not as pretty as I wanted it, but it covers the damn wire. And stuff all this back in here. Let's see what happens. Oh, we gotta put that. First, we gotta put that connector back on this one right here. Do it right-handed. Maybe we can do it right-handed. Do it left-handed. All right, looks good. Now, get all that crap in there. If we're not pinching anything. Okay. Nice. I'll put one bolt to make sure it can't fall off. So now we'll test it. Hopefully it won't quit working halfway to work again. Corner marker's working. Turn signal's working. Marker light's working. Halos are working. Works now. I wonder if it'll keep working. Hopefully so. Okay, so let's put the bolts back in. Let's see if we can show you how I do this here. You take the bolt, hold it up under there as you put it in with the tool. Yeah, leave that loose for now. Get the other one started. Sometimes you gotta assemble the tool inside there. And reach up under here from behind the bumper. Get the bolt started. And reach up under here with the socket. Get it together. Get on there straight. Now it wants to focus. Okay. We'll run that other one down now. Oh, we'll run these down next. That need to be real tight. Now to hold it together. Yeah. I'll check to see if the intake's still working. I think I'm at the right speed. So far, so good. Won't really know till we drive it. Hit a few bumps. But I think we got it fixed. So next thing we got to do is we got to put the grill back on. We'll turn the lights off and then put the grill back on. All right, you see these holes here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you see these clips here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clips go in the holes. Okay. Alright, we're all snapped in. Let's start all the bolts first. Yeah. There we go. Start moving. Trying to line up the dirt. Let's see if the lights can survive the hood closing. It's working right now. Snap the hood, see if it still works. Oh yeah, didn't even blank. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. If y'all haven't subscribed, I'd like to invite you to do so. If you have, I want to thank you for doing so and hanging around. And with that, we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care.